Okay, so this addition can be done in like a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I trace the back of my book onto any sheet of paper that I'm using so that it will be a perfect fit. And once I finish traced my design, I cut it out with a scissors and then I will attach it to the back of the book. And you can use literally anything that will allow it to stick on place. So I'm using stick glue, but you can use tonal, you can use what other glues are there? Any other glues, you can use tape and you can use stapler. Anything that will keep it on place, you just do that. And then of course you do it to any other books that we'll be using. And for me, I went with a kind of color coordination. So all my psych books were one color and all my foundation books were another color, and then all my other books I just choose a color that fit the subject. For the front of the book, I used black and I did it two different ways. So the first way I did it exactly like the back where it comes right to the binding, and for the other way I bent it to come and meet the color that's at the back. And I decided to go with that way for the rest of the books, and because I was using cartridge paper, it was thick and so the bending was taking a lot of time. So I used these kind of pin things, and then I would just do the same step where I trace it and then cut it. And now I'm adding the dots, so you can just do any kind of pattern or you can look up patterns. This first one is a random kind of design that I did and it's one of my favorites actually. And these are some other styles that I looked up and decided to use. And then lastly, you can cover with clear wrapping paper or you don't even have to. And that would be the end for this very simple book upcycle fixer-upper thingy. Enjoy your book now.
So thank you guys for watching. Yeah. So those were my ideas for books. You can use it as inspiration or you can just copy the same thing. I started doing this a good while back and these are some other examples of books that I have done over the past. I think these were just for like upper six, and so these are some of the books that I have done before in case you didn't want to do polka dot black and gold. Yeah. So if you guys want to see some more kind of me fixing up things related to So if you liked that video and you want to see more from this channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day guys and a good rest of your life. Bye!